look how good they look. 2 products, quick routine, amazing results. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you my current favorite curly hair routine and my current favorite products. I've only been using 2 products to do my hair for the past month or so probably, and I've been loving the way that my hair has been looking, so I want to share it with you guys today. One of the products I am going to be using is the Quick Curls, which I have shown here on my channel plenty of times. I feel like I usually use this as a 1-product curly hair routine, but I recently found another product that works super well with it, and my hair has been looking so good. So I obviously washed and conditioned my hair. It's pretty much detangled, but I'm gonna go ahead and run my little detangling brush through it. This routine has become one of my favorites because it always leaves my hair nice and voluminous, you guys will see. And I also haven't been using a tangle teaser, so I don't really have those big ringlet type of curls, but I really do have some good definition, which I love. A good balance of definition and volume. I would say my hair is pretty damp right now. It's definitely not soaking wet, and that's also a good tip to use if you want a more voluminous wash and go, is to work on damp hair instead of soaking wet hair. But I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this all over. I'm actually gonna work in sections, so I'm going to separate this in half. If you are new here, this is Miss Jessie's Quick Curls. I've been using this for a while now. This is for curly, wavy, and loose textures. It's a lightweight lotion that plumps curls, and it's also a defrizzer. And I make sure to really coat my hair with this because this is mainly the only product that I'm using. I'm only going to be using a little bit of the gel. So I just want to make sure that all my curls are coated nice. And then when I'm done raking the product through each section, I'm just going to go ahead and scrunch. So I'm going to be applying the second product on each section as I go, and this is the Ouidad Advanced Climate Control Gel. I think I'm saying that correctly, Ouidad, but it's a heat and humidity gel. It defines curls and locks out humidity. This would be really good for the summer or if you're in a really humid climate. I actually purchased this a while ago when I got my hair cut for the first time, and I haven't used it. I don't know why. It's just been sitting in my little curly hair stash, but I decided to try it out a few wash days ago, and I really liked the way that it looked in combination with the Quick Curls. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some of that on my hair, just a little bit. I will link both these products down below. I'm not gonna lie, they are a little bit more on the expensive side, more expensive than the products that I normally, buy, because I don't know, I just don't think you need to spend that much money on products to have a good wash day. You don't need these salon quality things to make your hair look nice, But I'll link them down below either way if you're interested. You can find the Quick Curls at Target, and then the Ouidad lotion I find at Ulta. They also have mini versions of it if you want to buy the mini version first to see if you actually like it before buying the full bottle. And I'm just doing the same thing. I'm raking the gel in, and then I'm also going to scrunch. And then of course I'm just repeating that same process on every section. Okay, so I finished applying the Quick Curls cream and the Weedad gel, and I will be using a tangle teaser only on the little pieces in the front of my hair, like literally just these 2 pieces here, because I just want these front pieces to have like a bigger, thicker ringlet like that. I just think it looks better, and even when I pull it apart, the curl still looks really nice if I decide to like leave little pieces out in the front, which I normally do if I pull my hair back. And I just scrunch. And now we wait. So I usually let my hair air dry for like 90% of the time, and then in the end I'll go in and diffuse it. So I'll definitely get back on camera when it's time to diffuse my hair, but I am gonna go ahead and scrunch out a little bit of the excess water and product that I have in my hair. This will also help it dry a little quicker. And yeah, I'll be back. So I'm back. It's probably 2 hours later. I feel like my hair is like 70% dry, but it's looking really good. I'm gonna go ahead and start diffusing. I have my blow dryer, my diffuser. A lot of people always ask me where I got my diffuser from, or where I got my blow dryer. And I found it at Ross for like $24 or something. But it is from the brand Gem, which I think it stands for something. So yeah, the brand Gem stands for Glamour, Energy, and Magic. So I'll try to link this down below if I can find it. So I like to just flip my hair to the front and then just hover around with my diffuser for a little bit before I start scrunching. Okay, I probably only spent 5 minutes or so blow drying my hair. It really didn't take long at all. And my hair looks super good already. I'm gonna go ahead and like fluff it out a little bit. I'm gonna put some oil in my hands. This is the OGX Argan Oil of Morocco. I'm just gonna use that to separate these curls in the front. And then just fluff out the rest of my hair. Just look how good they look. 2 products, quick routine, amazing results. These are my final results. I love the way that this routine makes my hair look. These 2 products together are like magic. Here's a little up close moment. You guys can see I still have a lot of definition even though I didn't even use a tangle teaser. I feel like my curls look nice and shiny. They feel nice and soft. And because both the products are super lightweight, I have nice and voluminous looking curls. Like my hair doesn't feel weighed down at all. And that's probably my favorite part. So yeah, Miss Jessie's Quick Curls and the Weedad Climate Control Gel. Definitely pick it up if you can. I'll leave a link down below as I mentioned. So this is going to be the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this little 2-product curly hair routine. Let me know down below what is your favorite product combination, whether it's 2 or 3 or 4 or however many products you use. Maybe I can try out one of your favorite combos and see how I like it on my hair. But if you did enjoy this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. That really helps me out a lot. And also subscribe if you are not already. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!